Well, I have faith in the Republican Party. We're going to get this bill passed. We're going to get a budget passed. And the Democrats are going to come to the table if they know what's good for them and if they ever want to win an election again. President Trump made that very clear. If you ever want to win an election again, you're going to vote for this budget. I think they're going to heed his warning. They truly, truly need to start doing something positive for America and for Americans. This is the time for them to shine, and maybe they'll heed his warning. Otherwise, the Republicans will get it done, and we'll have a very successful election in 2 years, and I'll be excited for that.